This is a 2018 Nissan Sentra SV with 46,000 miles on it. It makes a rattling or vibrating noise when you put it in drive and you're going at very slow speeds, like under 5 miles an hour. Basically, when you approach an intersection to stop at a light or a stop sign, you put your foot on the brake, and when you get to that stopping point, it starts rattling. I'm going to coast up and down my driveway a bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, so it's in park. I'm going to put it in drive. And there's the vibrating. All right, coast up my driveway. Hit the accelerator, it stops, but I'm just idling up the driveway right now. Put my foot on the brake to stop. Completely stopped. All right, put it in reverse and go back down my driveway. Highway driving is perfectly quiet. It's only when you're almost stopped or stopped with your foot on the brake. All right, put it back in drive. Vibrating. Take my foot off the brake. Tap the accelerator. All right, put my foot on the brake and I'm completely stopped. Put a crack in the window. I don't know if that helps or not, but it's pretty loud. I'll do it once more. Reverse. And here we go back in drive. And moving, coasting up the driveway, tap the accelerator, it stops. Hit the brake, completely stopped again, and it's rattling. All right, so if anyone has any thoughts or ideas on what it could be, please let me know.